Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate everybody tuning in today. Just a little quick video. The FedEx man just dropped off a package and I've been waiting for this. The old food dehydrator. I see tons of you guys using these things, you know, for curing models and everything. And like I say, man, I love shooting enamels. And man, it just always takes so long to cure them. And I thought, boy, this would be perfect. So I'm going to get this out of the box and we'll see what we got inside. Hold on. Okay, so I have to admit, this is a lot bigger than I thought. We got the 9-tray rack. We could do some serious dehydration on this baby. I mean, this thing's huge. I mean, so, see a Dasani bottle here. Just give you an idea. It's a pretty good size. Yep. Get this guy opened up here. Yeah, so this thing looks pretty nice. Very nice. So I'll tell you a funny story. So check this out, right? Prior to using unit, remove the cardboard from the inner rear end of the unit. So, funny thing. Back in the day, ooh, pretty. I was cooking a pizza. And, you know, just one of those frozen pizzas, right? So I was reading the package while I'm waiting for it to cook, and it says, remove cardboard before, you know, inserting in the oven. I thought, who is an idiot would leave the cardboard on this thing? I'm cooking the pizza and whatnot, and I thought, man, this thing's taking forever. And I happened to open the oven back up, and I looked down. Lo and behold, I left the cardboard on it. It's just a funny good time story there. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool because, you know, I can set this at any height to put multiple models on here if I wanted to. I just thought, man, this would be the way to go. And I think it goes to 100, let's see what it says here. I think it was like 158 degrees is what it says. Obviously we're not going to go that temperature, but it's always good to know, I guess, if it's there. So let's see here. Get the cardboard out of the back. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. It's got a fan and everything built into it. Oh yeah. Ooh, Susie Bake oven here. Everything but the light bulb. Oh yeah, I see the heating element in the back. Yeah, so this should work pretty good. Like I say, my Mach 1 model's just about cured. So I figured just leave myself one rack in there like that. And should be good. Like I say, I could do multiple kits, which works out really nice. So yeah, let's get this plugged in. We'll try it out. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, should be pretty nice. It's set, what does that say, 10 minutes? So you can raise the temperature up on it. Oh, it's at 158 right now. I'm thinking most time models are cooked, you know, it's around 100 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. Set your timer. Oh yeah, I can smell that new smell. It's got that new car smell. You run it with the door open? Absolutely. Oh yeah, we're heating up nicely. Oh yeah, I can tell that's gonna be really nice. That'll cure a model real good. Yeah, so like I say, you got the little timer on there. Got, I'm assuming that might be 9 hours maybe. I'll have to look and see the instructions on how to set the clock on it. So yeah, like I say, I've been wanting this guy for a while. One of these anyways. So it's got quite a fan on it. So yeah, I mean, I'm telling you guys looking into something like this. I mean, this one wasn't bad. I think this was 120 bucks on eBay. And I mean, just a cool outfit. I mean, I think it's a good piece to have for your model garage. You know, it's definitely worth it, especially if you're doing a lot of painting, you know, in between kits. Yes, the bench is messy right now, but I mean, this is pretty dry, like really dry, but I'd still be afraid to paint the flat black on the hood and chrome it yet. So I'm gonna stick that bad boy in here and let it cook for a couple hours. I know it doesn't take too long and they're pretty clear. So yeah guys, that works really good. Like I say, put the multiple shelves in there. So I can stack quite a few models in there if I wanted to, you know, if need be. Yeah, so that is an hours. That's set at 8 hours right now, so I believe it goes to 10 hours max. So that's obviously plenty enough time. So I think I'll knock this down for about 3 hours and try from there. Cool. We'll see how she works from that point. So anyways, that's just a real quick short video, guys. And like I say, you know what? I see a lot of guys using these things, and I think they're just a handy tool to have in your shop, you know. Like I say, I recommend one. And this here, for what I saw online, I mean, this seems like one of the better brands out there, you know, for the money and for the convenience. And I mean, you could put a easily 1/16 scale, probably even a 1/12 scale in this, because like I say, it's pretty big. So, okay guys, I appreciate you watching. Just like I say, a real quick video today. And like I said, I was kind of excited to get this. So we'll try it out and we'll see how it goes. Hey, you guys have a good one, and appreciate you watching. And hey, give me a like and subscribe. We'll see you the next time around. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.